So, there's been a lot of buzz lately about Android 15, especially among Samsung Galaxy users. Google dropped the first sneak peek for developers on February 17, sparking curiosity among folks who own Samsung phones and tablets about whether their devices will be compatible with the new update. Here's the deal. Google is expected to finish up Android 15 by July, but Samsung might need a bit more time to blend it into their next version of One UI, called One UI 7. That means Galaxy owners might have to wait a while before they can get their hands on the new software. Unfortunately, we won't know for sure which Samsung devices will support Android 15 and One UI 7 until after they've been rolled out for at least one Galaxy smartphone. But based on past updates, we can make some educated guesses about which devices might make the cut. Here's a breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy devices that are likely to be compatible with Android 15 and One UI 7. Galaxy S series. This includes phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S24, and older models like the S23 series and S22 series. Galaxy Z series. Foldable phones such as the Z Fold and Z Flip series are expected to be on the list. Galaxy Tab series. Tablets like the Tab S9 series and Tab S8 series are also likely candidates. Other series. Devices from the Galaxy F series and M series might also get the update. So, if you're a Samsung user eagerly waiting for Android 15 and One UI 7, keep your fingers crossed for your device to be on the official supported list when the updates finally roll out. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech news. Peace out.